Electronic chemicals are used to clean, etch, and treat components in electronics and semiconductors. They help ensure precision, reduce contamination, and support consistent manufacturing processes. At ReAgent, we manufacture and supply specialist chemicals for the electronics industry. Our products are used in circuit board manufacturing, sensor development, and electronic cleaning processes. We supply solvents, acids, pH adjusters, and purified water to support accuracy and cleanliness at every stage of production. Whether you're working with PCBs or precision sensors, our chemicals help maintain performance and protect sensitive components. We provide customized chemical blends and production flexibility to support innovation and compliance in electronics. All batches are fully traceable and supported by responsive lead times and technical assistance. Our ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001 certifications support the safety and consistency required in this sector. In electronics, there's no margin for error. You need a chemical partner who delivers precision. Contact us to see how ReAgent can support your business.